You see how the narrative changed now?
Mm-hmm.
Big love Cali.
Yeah.
Big wanted to be out in Cali, this, that, and the third, the whole 9 yards.
Mm-hmm.
Bruh, we all know if you got a beef with somebody or you did something crazy like Big did and that shit ain't really rectified. Yo, if he did straighten that out with Snoop Dogg,
Mm-hmm.
like they say they did, why they ain't never meet in Cali when Big was in Cali?
Mm-hmm.
Why wouldn't all those guys came and brought it together so we could have a conversation?
Mm-hmm.
Why we was told when Big was killed, when he was murdered, they all went up to death row and celebrated if it was something that was
Squash. Right.
Huh? Now, let's look at it like this.